So why did we pick Smart Builders? Well, they're the best. We interviewed a lot of builders. We talked to a lot of people. Their proposals were so professional. Their detail, Merrick's personality, his assistance, his guidance in making sure that we knew what we needed to do and what was best for our house and our design, and made us comfortable in the decisions that we were making, because it was very hard for my husband and I. My husband is very picky at who he hires and who he allows to work on the house, and Merrick won him over, hands down. He likes the detail and the precision, and everything that we got was above and beyond any expectations that we had. We always knew what was going to be happening. We always knew who was going to be here and what they were going to be doing. We knew how the job was progressing. We knew of any issues. If there was any questions, Merrick was on the phone or on the site, helping us through them and explaining and making sure that we had our input. Everything was great. They always cleaned up. They kept the job sites great. They took great care of us, and as you can see, the house turned out beautifully. We love it. We get tons of compliments from the neighbors. We've lived here since the house was built, and so we didn't want to leave, and so we couldn't be more than thrilled. And now I have a blank canvas for doing some landscaping, which is my favorite thing come spring, so it will actually be really beautiful come spring.